Oh, help has arrived. Okay, let me. Okay.
Yeah, doctor this side. Now, you have to first put the patient hands onto the sensor. Do it fast. Do it now. Put the patient hand onto
Okay,
the
I need to check his blood pressure. Please keep your hand here. Okay.
Yep, I got the blood pressure. Now, the patient blood pressure is very high. What you have to do is that you have to open the compartment, take out the medicine and give it to him. You have to give him the blue medicine right there. That was rated by the number 1.
Let me get that. Okay, I think he is a little better. We'll get him into a hospital. Please get up here.
So, guys, what you just see is an example or demonstration of our product named Lifefly Medical Drone. So basically, what this drone is that we know, like people live in remote areas or army operates in very like critical conditions like border areas in Assam and Himachal Pradesh and all those areas. And when someone is danger or stuck in somewhere, let's say basic example of Delhi. We know in recent times Delhi got flooded and people are unable to even get out of their houses. So in that condition, millions of people require emergency medical care. On that time, ambulances can't go anywhere. Okay, I will show you one video. Can we move to the next slide? Next. I will show you the problem statement. Next. 3 Idiots किसने देखी है?
Yeah, who has seen Three Idiots? Please raise your hand. Okay, a lot of people have seen Three Idiots. Okay, nice. Do you remember the scene in which the professor's daughter required an ambulance and the entire city was flooded? Yes? Okay, great. So what do you think would have happened if no medical care or Rancho or his friends wouldn't have done anything? She would have died. So, to revolutionize that, we have created an AI integrated medical lifeline drone. What it does is,
So I will explain you whole thing about this drone. So मान लीजिए आप एक एरिया में हैं, ठीक है, आपके पास मेडिकल केयर नहीं पहुंच रही है, एम्बुलेंसेस नहीं पहुंच रही है. What you will do? You just have to call ambulance or whatever you have to, you can book it on our app. ये ड्रोन आपके पास आएगा, आपको डायग्नोस करेगा. डायग्नोस का मतलब समझिए, आपका बीपी, शुगर, ईसीजी, ऑल दोज थिंग्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड बाय द डॉक्टर, वो सारे इसमें रहेंगी. डॉक्टर कैन जस्ट सिंपली गाइड द पेशेंट एंड वो सारा डाटा डायग्नोसिस का वो ले सकते हैं. आफ्टर देन डॉक्टर कैन ऑल्सो रिकमेंड द पेशेंट कि उसको कौन सी दवाई लेनी है, क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, बिकॉज दिस आर ऑल द रिक्वायर्ड सिस्टम्स दैट द पेशेंट नीड. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज यूनिक इन दिस आइडिया? मेडिकल ड्रोन तो ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मेडिकल ड्रोन हमने कभी सुना ही ना हो, ठीक है. देयर इज मेडिकल ड्रोन इन द मार्केट, बट क्या वो मेडिकल ड्रोन है? आई एम क्वेश्चनिंग दैट. सी, जब हम बात करते हैं मेडिकल ड्रोन की ना, इट रेजेस द क्वेश्चन कि व्हाट इज अ मेडिकल ड्रोन. अगर मैं एक वैन लेता हूँ, उसमें कुछ मेडिसिन और ब्लड और ये सब चीज़ें भर देता हूँ और उसको बोलता हूँ पेशेंट के पास जाओ, दैट वैन डिड इट बिकम एन एम्बुलेंस. सेम अभी इंडस्ट्री में हो रहा है कि लोग डिलीवरी ड्रोन्स जो कि मेडिसिन और ब्लड डिलीवर करते हैं उनको मेडिकल ड्रोन समझते हैं. बट मेडिकल ड्रोन का असली डेफिनेशन होता है कि एक ड्रोन विच इज द डायग्नोस्टिक सिस्टम हो, डॉक्टर को सारा डाटा प्रोवाइड करवा सके कि पेशेंट की हालत क्या है. ऑल दोज थिंग्स दैट आर अवेलेबल ऑन एन एम्बुलेंस should be available on the drone, then it will be a medical drone. So this drone has BP, sugar, ECG, your each and everything that is required directly to the portal जो कि हमने वेब पोर्टल बनाया है उस पे अपलोड हो जाएगा. Next slide.
So the moment, like for instance, I showed with the volunteer. So if let's assume the patient's blood pressure is going down, so we have a sensor that will analyze the blood pressure, and for that it will give specific medicines so that the medical care can be given on that spot on that time without any delay.
So now अब बात करते हैं बिजनेस मॉडल की. आइडिया कितना भी यूनिक हो, पैसा जनरेट नहीं करता, जीरो है. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द बिजनेस मॉडल. करेंटली हमारा टैम, सैम और सोम काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज मेडिकल सेक्टर एक इकलौता ऐसा सेक्टर है कि जिसमें कैश फ्लो बहुत ज़्यादा है. सो जिस एरिया में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं, अगर हम नेक्स्ट 10 ईयर्स में इसको रिप्लेस कर सकें एम्बुलेंसेज की बजाय, क्योंकि आज से 20 साल 30 साल पहले एम्बुलेंसेज उतने फेमस नहीं थे. लोग प्रीफर होम डॉक्टर्स, नाउ दे प्रीफर एम्बुलेंसेज. एंड व्हाट आई थिंक इज आफ्टर 10-20 years this will be the future. So can we move to the next slide? Yeah, we have three business model mainly: subscription, B2B and B2G. What are those? The subscription model basically includes that the patient has to call us, okay, on our app or through an emergency number. We will deploy the drone to the patient. The patient will utilize the drone services, and after that there will be a charge of bill. We will send it to the patient.
In the B2B model, what we will do is that there are a lot of hospitals. So we will be selling these drones to those hospitals and will be providing an operator so that this drone can directly connect that esteemed hospitals, doctors to the patients. And in the next one we have a B2G model. So all of you know that our armed forces, army, navy, air force, they are at risky positions on the border. So what we will do is that we will be also selling these drones to the armed forces so that they can also implement and use these drones to save lives.